Hi guys, it's your girl Dominique, the designer of Namaste and Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to properly tie the angel top. This is my lovely friend and model Jasmine. She is a size D and I made the medium angel top for her. So we're going to show you how to put it on and make sure everything is nice and supported. Perfect. So I'm just going to have you kind of hold it up where you want it to land. Lovely. I'm going to grab these top ties. And I'm just going to loosely tie it up at the top so that we kind of hold it in place for where we want everything to end when the top is completely on. And then I'm going to put the drape up here to give me easy access to these corset ties in the back. And these ties are designed to really hold everything in and to give you tons of support. So what I'm going to do is crisscross and loop them through every 2 or 3 of these little holes on the side. And then each time I'm just going to pull it tight just to really give tons of support. And the last one. Lovely, that's a nice tight corset. And then I'm going to let the drape down and let's check you out in the front. Ooh, lovely, but I think we could use a little bit more support here. Maybe tighten this up a little bit. All right, how does that feel?
Oh, great.
Feels good, looks good.